Good morning student. I am Ranjit Bora. Today I will discuss class 6 chapter number 1 where, when and how. Student, you know that in my pre-class I already discussed what is history, why history is important, the timeline of history. But today I will discuss geographical framework in history. Why geography is important in history? What are the relationships geography and peoples? What are the factors of geography which helps to form the human civilization? So let's go through this paragraph. I will go to mention some important line in here. Generally, people prefer to live in an area where environment is favorable for living. It's a fact because people only choose that area where environment is favorable. In India, humans first settled on the bank on the three big rivers like Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. So these are the three rivers. Actually where first people started to live. Now come mighty kingdoms like Magad emerged in the Gangetic Plain. They settled in this area due to flowing advantages. So, do you know what is the present name of Magad? The present name of Magad is called Bihar. In ancient is known as what? In ancient is known as a Magad, but at present name of the Magad is called Bihar. So, why this kingdom emerged in Magad? Lot of issues. So these issues are mentioned by this point. Let's go discuss this point. Fertile land. Fertile land, that means what? The soil is very fertile, is a very productive. So on the bank of the Gangetic Plain, the soil is very fertile. Therefore, people started to cultivations on that place. As a result, productions more and more, which helps to form the Magad. Nearby sources of water for their needs. The peoples of Magad, if they wanted the water as a source of Ganga, they will got available water in that place. Good climate conditions was very good on the bank of Gangetic Plain. River serve as a means of transport. So river serve as a means of transport. We all know that river give the transport by boat. So it also helps trade and commerce, because while transportation systems was start, definitely it helps to transactions, different commodities, which is helps from Magad to emerge as a kingdom in the bank of Gangetic Plain. Okay. So if you come in the context of Brahmaputra, this name is very familiar. The Assamese people are very dependent on this Brahmaputra because Brahmaputra provide us different sources like water, manure, transport, which is helps to trade and commerce. Next come Himalaya. Himalayas in the north separated India from Central Asia and protect it from the cold winds. So Himalaya work as a defense. It stopped the flow of cold winds. So this is the important point in this paragraph. So if you try to understand the geography, history and people, definitely you first give the importance the factors of geography like soil, water, climate. How can it affect the peoples in history? Clear? Affect means what? The peoples depended on that geographical factors. If particular of that area, suppose Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra, if in that area geographical factors are comfortable, definitely the peoples started to settle on that area. Okay, so by this way, the people's settlements was started in this geographical factor where it's very acceptable for settlement of human. So today I'm going to ending this video. For next topic, you will see my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.